Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. It's only a short video of this because there's not been a massive amount of change. From what I can see, it looks like all the curbstones have been established alongside the pedestrian islands. Now looking at the tarmac, I'm not certain if that's a final layer. This is looking along Shore Heath, flying backwards towards the railway station. As you can see there, it looks like all the tarmac is done. Obviously, they need to establish the pavement and the tarmac on that, but it looks like the road is actually finished. This is from the other direction, facing the railway station, flying backwards along Shore Heath. Then flying backwards from the Armoury pub towards the Educator building. Does actually look like it needs another layer of top coating over the tarmac near the inside of the roundabout there, looking at it from that section. So that's it for this one. Obviously there's not a lot changing. I'm guessing that it's just literally the final touches now. Like I said previously, if you can check out the playlist, really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, etc. and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.